HMD introduced its latest smartphone, the HMD Fusion. The phone has a modular design, with a 6-pin connector on the back for adding new types of cases with different functionalities. Comes in a single black color. The HMD Fusion sports a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with 1612 by 720 pixels resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and 600 nits peak brightness. The handset is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset with Adreno GPU for graphics. There is up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. It runs on Android 14 OS, and the company is promising 2 years of OS upgrades. Moving to cameras, the HMD Fusion has dual cameras with a 108MP primary camera with Smart EIS and a 2MP depth sensor. We get a 50MP camera on the front for selfies. HMD has packed a 5000 mAh battery on the Fusion with support for 33W charging. HMD Fusion price starts at €249, approximate 23,400 rupees. The handset will roll out globally soon. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.